Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna do a quick portfolio update, a whole portfolio update, right? So I'm gonna go over every stock, every option, all the positions, everything that I bought this year. So I know that the market's basically, if you're in the growth stocks, the market's been going down, I think probably since November of 2021. Let's just look at Shopify real quick to see since when did this, yeah, November was the peak. So about November until now, the market has continued to go down, except for the past, I think, month. The portfolio has been going steadily upwards. So as you see, today was a pretty good day. We're up 1,200 bucks, up 6%. The week we're up 21%, 19%, up $3,000 for the month, 18% past 3 months. I think that the lowest point was in May. So anything, if you were buying anywhere around May or during the month of May, you basically bought at the lowest point, I believe. And the lowest point of the portfolio was at $12,593 compared to we were where we at in where we were at in November at the peak. We were at 53,000 and all time, of course. I don't even remember how high we were up. I think we were up to 60 or 70,000. I did take out quite a bit of money, so I don't even know if these percentages would be correct, but I did take out quite a bit of money from my portfolio at one point because I did in fact purchase a car back in October. So I did sell out of some things in October. Oh, that was a long time ago. And I bought a car, and I don't remember how much I sold off, but I did buy a car. It was around $50,000 cash. So I did take out quite a bit of money from here. But I would like to get back up to that point. I don't know how high this was. I think we're at 70,000 around this point of 2020. But this is where we sold out around here. And I don't know if this chart is correct or anything, but let's just look at it for the year, right? Because this is more accurate, I think. For the year, we're still down a huge amount, still down 56%. So we would have to double our money to at least get back up, a little more than double our money to at least get back to where we were. And I think after we double our money, then I'll be happy. I'll be happy with break even, and I would like to get above 50,000 and stay above 50,000 for the long term. So we still have a long ways to go. But let's go over the options. I did sell a $19.50 put on Neo. I got a premium of $50, and so far we've made $32 of it. It's pretty good. So as long as Neo stays above 1950, we're golden. If it goes under, then I'll probably roll it out next week and make a little bit more premium on it. I also decided to sell a put that expires next Friday on August 12th, I believe. We would get a premium of $54 right now. We are down $7, down 12%. Palantir's at 11.08 right now, so as long as it stays above $11 by next Friday, we should be fine. We should receive the $50 in premium from that. And these are the big long-term option plays that I'm down a huge amount. I'm down 98% on this. I'm just basically going to write it out until it expires in January of 2023. So I have quite a ways away, quite a few months until this expires. So I'm going to see if Neo can get back up a little bit so I can at least sell it for a little bit more. Because right now, this is only $28, right? When I bought this was $2,000, so we lost a hell of a lot of money on this. Hopefully we can recover at least a couple $100 back from this, but Neo has not been moving at all, so we might just have to sell it at 100% loss or let it expire. Dropbox, same thing. I bought this for $540, and right now it's only worth $204. Remember, options multiply it by 100 shares, so it will be 204. It's not down as much as Neo the Neo option is, but still down 62%. I'm like I said, I'm just gonna write it out till January 2023, and see how what number it gets at that date. So next we got crypto. Right now I have 0.28 of Ethereum. I would like to get that to 1, and we're up total 4%, up $20. And let's look at the numbers, how much we've bought since the beginning of this year. So we've been buying. Let's start from right here. We've been buying on March 31st. We bought $100. June 16th, another 100. I bought another $10 on June 29th. I bought another 134 on July 21st, and another $97 on August 1st. So slowly making some buying, slowly buying this. We would like to buy some more. I think I would keep buying this until it hits 2000s, and then I'll probably leave it alone from there. But Ethereum did spike up a lot since the lowest point. It's basically been up about 50%. So there you go. Now let's go into the stock holdings. We have Shopify here. I am down 38% of it on it right now, for down 6,000, almost $7,000 basically. My average cost is $68.23. I will probably sell some puts on this, probably like a month out maybe. Sell a put for this a month out, make about $300. Maybe I'll do it. Now the next one is Palantir. Palantir's got 30 shares, up 20%. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my purchasing this year. So let's see when we start purchasing Shopify. So I started buying Shopify last year. Oh, actually, this is way farther out. Oh, there we go. April 1st, bought 9,000. I sold it off for 9,490 for almost $500 gain. Then we bought again April 5th, about $7,000. Another one on the same day, another 3,500. Then we bought April 8th, another 4,300. Then we bought $100 more than 33. Then I bought another $5 worth. And I bought 9 cents worth, and I bought another $32.38. We would like, I would love to get this down, my average cost down, but compared to everything else in my portfolio, it's probably the biggest position in terms of equity. Then there's Palantir. Like I said, up 20% on this. I didn't have as much money to buy at the lowest point because I put a lot of money into Shopify and into Neo. But basically this year I've been buying. June 16th I bought 114, then I bought another $28 and $31, $100 right there, and then I sold some options right there. And I will continue to sell some options on Palantir. I would like to get Palantir up. I would like to have at least 100 shares of this baby soon, as fast as possible. Charge point. I have 23 shares. I'm up 17% on this one. Pretty nice. Like I said, I would also like to get about 100 shares into this one. And I've been buying since June 16th. So the past 2 months, I've been slowly buying in some stuff. I bought $124 right there, $13 right there, 36 on June 11th, then 29 on June 21st, or July 21st. And I bought some August 2nd, $107. Then we go on to the next one, Tattooed Chef. I have 123 shares. My average costs $15. I think I would love to get this down, but I would like to buy some more Charge Point and Palantir first before I get into Tattooed Chef. I'm down 56% on this baby. And I don't think I've been buying recently. The last time I bought was... Oh, actually I have bought recently. I bought $40 worth in July 21st. July 11th, I bought $25 worth. June, another purchase. And June 16th, about. I've also sold some, apparently. I guess. Wow, I actually had a bigger position in this. Like almost $5,000 worth more of Tattooed Chef. Wow. Let's see. Wait, let's see when I bought it. When did I buy this? I don't even remember. Sorry. Let's check this out. So we got a put assignment for 1629, and yeah. So it was like 300 shares right there. 300 shares. I did sell it off for a loss. Wow. Okay. There's Tattoo Chef. Then we bought IIPR. Only 2.4 shares, down 5% on this one. You can see the purchasing this year. We bought some on June 16th, June 29th. They're $109, $10, $55, $48. You can see we actually got a dividend right there, $1.75. Pretty nice. Then we have PayPal. Ooh, average cost $71. So we're up 36% on this. I wish I had some more money to buy some more on the lows, but we didn't have any money. We didn't have any money at all. And now we had to start buying on the way up. Slowly, of course. So every 2 weeks I can put in like $200-300 worth and slowly buy up some shares and slowly decrease our margin because that margin interest is going up. Then we have MP right here. We're down up 10% on this one. We have 7 shares, average cost $31. Let's see when the last time we bought. We bought on the 21st. See, we just buying like 1 share at a time, or yeah, 1 share at a time. And yes, you see, I did sell some April 20th, but then we bought back in at a lower price, so that's good. Next one is Meta. This one, we're only up 2%. We have 1.2 shares. I would like to get some more of this one. I think this one's undervalued. But like I said, we have a money problem right now. We need to start making more money. As you see here, we just bought like 1 share on June 16th. And then we bought a partial share on July 21st. Next one, Amazon. We're up 27% on Amazon. Very good. I would love to get some more Amazon, but I want to buy other things first. I think Amazon's a good long-term play. There we go. You see the purchases right there. The last purchase was 2022. We bought $102. When was this? I was buying 2 shares at 19.20. Wow. Long time ago. Corsair. I've been contemplating on selling this one, but I think I'm just gonna hold on to it, to be honest. Maybe I'm just gonna probably leave this one alone, leave it alone for the long term, but I don't think I've bought any Corsair. Oh, I actually have. Last time was June 16th and June 29th we bought some. I don't know. This one it has to double up before I even get back to break even, so most likely, yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a lot of stock to get back to where I was before. And then the biggest loss right now. Really have to bring the average cost down to in the 30s, if not. If we can get it to the 35, I think that would be good, but we would have to purchase maybe like $200 or $300, 300 shares more. We're down 55% on this one, so we will have to keep selling puts for a while and get a sign and sell for some profit, like $100 to $200 worth every time. I mean, I think buying Neo under $25 is a good bet. Under 20 bucks, really good. Under 15, it's basically free. Under 15, basically free. Under 20, really good. Under 25 is okay. Anything above 25 is, I don't think I would want to buy, you know. So I would probably keep selling puts until we get back up to our average cost so we can bring that down. But anything around 20 bucks will bring our average cost down pretty significantly if we buy 100 shares at a time. So that's going to be the plan. I don't think I've bought anything. Yeah, we haven't really bought anything. We've just been selling some options on it. But yeah, that's the portfolio. We have quite a ways away until we get back to all-time highs of around 60, 70,000. I think I would be happy with to get back to 60K. And right now the main objective is to get our margin down and slowly buy until we get back to our pricing. I think we would want to get our margin down more. So let's say if I deposit 300 bucks, I'll probably only buy $150 worth of shares and keep the rest as the paid down margin. If we can get to our margin down to under 5,000, that'll be very good. That'll be very, very nice. So we would have to keep selling puts, make a couple $100 from that with the deposits also. So if we can deposit around $600 a month plus, we can make it like $200-300 extra from selling puts. That's like $1,000 that we'll be making, $900 to $1,000 a month of cash that we'll bring into the portfolio. So it'll take a couple months before we will get down to that number of $5,000 in margin. But other than that, as long as the market keeps going up, we have to slowly buy in. And if the market decides to go back down and go to the lows that we've seen already down here, I think that's when we'll have to deploy more. That's why I really want to get our margin down. So if we ever get back down to those numbers, we start depositing, we start buying heavier. Because right now I'm like, buy one share here, buy one share there, you know, buying slowly because the market is creeping upwards. I mean, it's still, compared to where we were at all-time highs, we're still down like, I think 25% to where we were a month ago, where we're down 35%, down 10% more. So I think we still have a ways to go. I think it might take maybe till till summer of next year or even the end of next year to get back to all-time highs if we don't deposit. But if we keep depositing money, then obviously we'll get there quite a bit faster. And if we keep buying at good prices and the markets decide to go up, it also depends on Neo, you know. If Neo can get ramped up and there's no more shutdowns in China, and if they get their capacity all back to 100%, they easily can start manufacturing 15,000 cars plus, maybe even 20,000 by the end of the year. So if they start delivering 20,000 cars, this stock is going to go up 50%, 60% easily. I mean, Neo is not a $20 stock if they're 100%. Neo can easily be a $30, $35, even $40 stock at where they are right now if they were running at 100%. And if they were, we'll be a lot closer to our average cost. I mean, if they were, we would have $12,000 more in the portfolio. We would easily be at $32,000 of our portfolio value, but we're not. So right now, like I said, the goal, bring down margin and slowly buy shares and keep selling options. Keep selling options. If we get assigned options, sell the calls and keep rolling them out and keep making income to bring down our margin and buying these shares up at these prices. I think I will be a buyer. Like I said, I'll be buying for the rest of the year. I don't think I'll probably. It'll be a while before I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stop buying and just stack up on cash. I think it's gonna be a while. I would like to get maybe back to all-time highs, 50, 60,000 before I stop buying completely and stacking on cash. And I'm gonna keep doing some updates for you guys. Every time I make a little move, I'll make a quick little video. I'll probably do like a in-depth like portfolio update like I did today every week to keep you guys updated. And of course, if there's any news, I'll probably record and post. Just because now I have quite a bit of time. I'm off like, for the rest of the week, so I have quite a bit of time on my hands. I didn't have really that much time before, but now I have a little bit more time. So I'm gonna be making some more videos, just for the fun of it, Let me know how you guys are doing. If you guys are up, basically since I've been buying, I've been up except for Shopify, Shopify, and I think IPR. Yeah, these two are the only stocks that I've been down in since I bought. And of course, I've been buying Shopify heavy, and I want to keep buying Shopify heavy. I would love to get Shopify to, honestly, if we can get Shopify under to the 55 average cost, I think that would be very good. That's the goal, to have an average cost of $55. And same thing with Neo. If we can get an average cost of $35, I think I'll be very happy with that. It's going to be a while though, so. But that's it. That's the quick update, guys. I'll see you guys probably in a couple of days when I buy some more things. More stocks, more ETFs, more Palantir, ChargePoint, Shopify, Palantir, ChargePoint. Selling some more options. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next one.